I have a yogurt every morning because I've heard that eating good bacteria is healthy for me. I also keep reading about probiotics, but I was curious about how they help my digestion and overall health, so I spoke with my doctor.
Studies show that probiotics help balance the ratio of good to bad bacteria in your intestine. The better the balance, the better your digestive health. Life Extension's Fluorosys GI and Fluorosys Balance support your digestive health and provide a broad spectrum of whole body benefits. The Fluorosys family provides strains of probiotics for optimal potency.
With so many probiotics on the market, I didn't know which is best for me.
Fluorosys has been scientifically researched and independently tested to provide you with the best results. The dual encapsulation delivery system is uniquely designed to safely bypass the harsh environments of your stomach and deliver the potent formulation to your intestines where your body needs it most. The more advanced formula, Fluorosys GI, has a tetraphage blend that targets specific strains of unwanted bacteria in your system, making room for good bacteria to help restore digestive balance.
Life Extension's quality control and third-party testing helped me choose Fluorosys. It's more than a gut feeling. By adding Fluorosys to my daily regimen, my digestion is now in check, and I feel great.